All of them up. All of them?
All of them.
Yeah. What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm here at Speed Tech getting the truck tuned. They're strapping her down right now. Finna see what she could do. See how many horses she gonna put out. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a little bit. I'll show y'all the numbers as soon as they come out. What's up, guys? I'm still here at the Speed Tech performance shop. Have a little mishap. The OBD port is not reading on the tuner's laptop, so they're changing it out. They're replacing it with another one, and we're trying to see if there's a communication issue there. So I haven't been able to get my truck tuned yet, but they're working on it now. I'm about to take a little break, have some lunch. I've been here since about 9:30, 10 o'clock this morning. It is now 2:04. Nonetheless, guys, it's gonna happen. I'm just waiting for them to figure out what the issue is with the laptop communication issue, and we'll get right back on it, guys. Que rollo, mi gente? What's good? It's your boy David C. Aquí andamos otro día. It's day number 2, guys. Yesterday we had a little mishap with the C10 OBD port. It wouldn't communicate with the laptop to get tuned. So what I ended up doing yesterday on the way home, I stopped at a mechanic shop, CNA Auto Repair, which happens to be my uncle's shop. So the truck is here now. We're gonna work on it today and try to figure out and resolve the problem with the OBD2. So today what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and record a little bit of what we're doing to it and how we're gonna go about it, and then my goal is to take it back next week, hopefully early in the week, take it back to the tuner and get that thing tuned and get that going as well. But for today, guys, what we're gonna do is just pretty much take the OBD sensor out, not sensor, OBD port out of there, and figure out if we're getting signal, if we're getting ground, if we're getting power, and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, as for now, I'm gonna go ahead and have me some breakfast. Mira nomás. Damn, boy. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys here in a little bit. Ahí estamos. Sas. Like I mentioned before, CNA Auto Repair. Shout out to my Uncle Roy. If y'all need any repairs done, come out here to CNA Auto, guys. Come pay them a visit. Good mechanics over here. Check this out. The pins seem to be pretty good. So now we're gonna hook it up and put it back to where it belongs, which is this one. now we're gonna hook up the E-fans. As you can see, this little pin right here, I don't know if you can see it, it broke off inside the ECU, so my wire for my E-fans is not working, so I gotta replace this pin and put it back in there. So now I'm fixing my wire for my electric fans. See if I can get this crimped in there. Now as you can see, guys, I got the wire in there. This yellow one, this one runs to my electric fans, so I got it back in there. This is fan number 2 on the red connector. Let's move on to the next thing. So now I gotta crimp the wire part. It's kind of hard to see. Guys, so now I'm tying in my OBD port. I don't know why I want to keep calling it a sensor. It's an OBD2 port. So I got my power tied in. Now I'm gonna get my signal wire, which was the one that was not working yesterday. But I have an idea, maybe I have a blown fuse somewhere. So we're gonna check that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and crimp all this together. got that one crimped. I got this one crimped, and now I just need to put the ground back here, and then we'll be ready to test it out. All right, guys. So now I got it all tied in. I got my communications wire, my power wire, my grounds. This is probably gonna be like a memory wire or something. I'm not sure, I gotta look that up, but it's time to put the computer back on, the ECU. Put it back on. See that? Put the other one first. Put the other side first, guys. I did it backwards. Alright guys, so basically I ended up taking everything apart on the OBD2 port. I disconnected it. I cut all the wires. I checked each single wire. I checked for ground, I checked for power, I had that. I checked for the signal, and it seemed to be working. So now I got it hooked up, and in red, I hooked up a scanner to it right now to see what it would do. That actually read the scanner and it's communicating again, guys. So here's a fix. I hope so. I'm gonna call Speed Tech today and let them know that I got it figured out. So hopefully they'll squeeze me in sometime early next week. And yeah, guys, we'll see what's up. All right, guys. Last but not least, I'm gonna mount the computer / ECU back to where it was. Let's try this OBD port again. Got the scanner right here. I'm gonna see if it'll work again. Let's hook it up. Let's go ahead and turn on the power. Alright, so I'm going to do the test real quick. That way I have it on camera, that everything works the way it's supposed to. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. There it goes. Got the green light on. Shaking it around, everything's good. Everything's reading.